At Polysolar, we've spent over a decade developing and bringing to market products to solve this challenge, from building materials to windows that generate power. Now we've taken these innovations into agriculture and have developed a modular product, a lightweight, flexible solar that can be put on polytunnels, ready for the crucial mass market.
Designed for straightforward plug-and-play installation by the farmers themselves, allowing them to power their crops using the infrastructure they already depend on to grow.
We're looking to automate as many tasks as possible, and at the same time we're trying to tackle the challenge of climate change. What better way than to generate the power for those tools than from the sunlight falling on the tunnels themselves? So I'm not having to use any of our good farmland just to generate the power. I'm doing it as well as using that land to produce good, high quality food.